how many IP networks and IP addresses per network supported in Class B?
All right. So in Class B, if we actually let's go ahead and see this as an example. So when we think about Class B, we are talking about a subnet mask of 255.255.0.0. That means the slash 16 is the subnet mask. The first 16 bits is the network part, and the remaining 16 bit is the host part, right? So this is the network part, and this is the host part. So how many networks are there in Class B? So we will think, okay, there are 16 bits into network part, so it will be 2 raised to power 16, but that will be the wrong answer because we need to consider the constant bits. We need to remove the constant bits. We do not consider them into the network calculation. So the number of networks that you will find in Class B will be the number of ones in subnet mask minus the constant bits. We actually remove the constant bits, we don't use them. How many constant bits are there in Class B? So the Class B range, if we see, is 128 to 191. Now, if you convert them to binary, it is 10000000, and this one is 10111111. So you can see that the first two bits never change; they are always same, 1 and 0. And it's not true just for 128 and 191. It is true for any number between that range. So the two constant bits will be removed from the number of ones. We have 16 ones in the subnet mask. So actually the number of networks will be 2 raised to power 14, not 2 raised to power 16. 2 raised to power 14 actually gives us 16,384 networks in Class B. How many IP addresses do we have into each network? That is very easy. That is just the number of zeros you have in binary in your subnet mask. So that will be the number of hosts or number of IP addresses. More specifically, number of IP addresses actually. Number of IP addresses per network will be 2 raised to power 16 because that's the number of zeros we have. That gives us 65,536. So number of networks in Class B is 16,384, and number of IP into every of these networks, every one of these networks is 65,536. That's the answer for first question.